Here's gonna be a starting video of the motor. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 under here. Runs like new. Fleet maintained by the Surprise Police Department. Front rear diff case looks like to be done at 54,000 miles. Transmission was flushed at 40. Coolant was done at 61,000. You can see that coolant bottle. It is clean as day. This is a brand new battery that I just installed last week. It's the Interstate. Zero leaks, zero odd noises. It is still equipped with the Patrol Power Box. This will operate any auxiliary equipment you connect to it. Again, all the wires are still present. They're currently stored underneath the center console, and most of the connectors are still there. They did not cut. Maybe less than 10% of the wires actually got cut when it was decommissioned. So should you want to rewire this up, it'd be very easy to do so. It is all still hooked to power. That is, this Tahoe is equipped with two batteries. That's your main battery over here. This is your auxiliary, which powers the Patrol Power Unit, which then runs all the wires to the cab. So if you wanted to rewire that cage or some auxiliary lighting, possibly a winch, whatever you wanted to do, you definitely can. And again, this front Satina bumper is very stout. If you ever wanted to put a winch on here, you could easily do so. And while I'm out here, I'll just do a couple of wheel well videos as well. Yeah, it's an Arizona truck its whole life. So extremely clean. Well maintained, zero leaks, zero suspension issues, zero alignment issues. Brakes are all 8 and 9 millimeters. Factory spare tire, you can see that there.